What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Serrano, and today we're going to take a look at a new device. I have my unboxing knife right here. So without any further ado, let's just go ahead and see what's inside of here. So right here, I do have the box. We're going to go ahead, cut it open, and just see what's actually in here. I'm actually really excited. Couldn't wait. This is not, like something that's regular on the channel. This is one of those products where I'm really excited about. So I want to give a special shout out to Jay Williams for actually doing a review on it, and Paul Tech when he did a review on it. Also, Savage Scientist had a little preview of this device. But without any further ado, we're gonna go ahead and take a look right here. It does say right here on the box, ZTE AXON M right here, so you can see right there, just for your own appreciation, that it does say AT&T on the box as well. And right here it does say contains lithium ion, dispose of properly enclosed items imported. So basically you can see right here it's from ZTE, and basically AT&T prepaid is on here. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is just take my unboxing knife, and without any further ado, we're just going to go ahead cut that seal right there. So boom, and then that one's cut, so there's like one more right here. So alright, you got that one right there. So we're going to go slide this open. Alright, so that's pretty much open. So right here at the top it does say TV mode is waiting for you. Set up TV mode and launch DirecTV of your favorite video app on your second screen. So that gives you an idea what we're gonna forward to. It says second screen, but this is just the unboxing video, so make sure you guys stay locked in. So we're gonna go ahead, pop that open, and what here is we're greeted with, it says right here, waiting for you. Then you can see on the other side, wow, so you can see right here, this is a foldable phone. I have no idea how this works, guys. I'm really excited to test it. Oh wow, so you can see that's the mechanism right there. It's two 5.2-inch displays, as you can see right here. So this is a foldable device. It does have the little crease in the middle, but this actually does feel pretty good in the hand. It was only $155 on Amazon.com. I'll leave the links down below, so make sure you guys check that out. But shout out to Jay Will. I definitely was inspired by that review to go ahead and purchase this device. This is like a collector's item, so we're gonna go ahead and check it out like in more detail. So it does say the volume button is right here, and it says volume up and down, and then it does say you do have a fingerprint and power button right here, and also you do have quick launch TV camera button right here. So you do get like this camera button, which is actually located right here, and also you do have quick launch TV camera button right here. So you do get like this camera button, which is actually located right here, which is definitely pretty cool. And then on the back has the AT&T logo, and it has AXON M right here, and then it has like the, I'll cover that up because you don't really need to see that. But let's go ahead, since this is the let me see the power button, we're gonna go ahead and long press this button right here. Boom, you can see the screen is actually turning on right here. It says ZTE, as you can see. Let me just go ahead and pull this off, and then pull the second one off as well. So now we have the two panels free, and these are actually real glass panels, guys, so this is definitely going to be pretty cool. I'm really looking forward to this experience, as you can see right here. So let's go ahead and wait for that to actually boot up. You can see it does say M right there. That was pretty cool. You saw that animation pop up. That was actually did sound pretty good. That was good. You can see the quality right here. It does say the AT&T logo right there, for your own appreciation. And so we do get the two screens. See, there's a camera right here and a flash on the front, which is pretty cool. And then on the back there's no other, so it's just one camera right there on the front, 20 megapixel camera. So we're getting the Snapdragon 821, which is definitely really cool. So I'm looking forward to this a whole lot. I hope you guys are excited as I am. So we're just waiting for that to like actually load up. It does 50% right here. One of the screens says welcome, as you can see right here. So boom, second screen came on. So let's set this up right here. It says welcome. This says let's go. So we're gonna click that button. You see this one says TV mode waiting. So start is new, bam. Get connected. You see it says, we're gonna go ahead and skip that. But you can see it does have the 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. Now I have an 8.4 inch tablet, the Chewy High Pro, which is definitely bigger than this. But this is actually pretty cool because it's foldable. So let me just see how that feels when I fold it. So you can see this is actually the screen right here, boom, 5.2 inches. And when you're on the back, this one turns off. So when you fold it, you only get one screen right here. So, you know, it's really weird because you don't want to actually scratch this side or this side. So I don't know if there's cases available. We're gonna check Amazon later on. Cancel. And it says use cellular network. I think we're gonna go ahead and do that. Boom. Okay, boom. All right, press that in. 4G LTE right here. So we're already connected to the Cricket Wireless network right here. Let me put this down real quick and see what else comes in the box. Right here. Let me just go ahead and pull this open. And a ZTE, it says right here, get started guide and product safety warranty. Put that off to the side. Wow, we actually get headphones right here. So these are wired earbuds, which is pretty cool. These actually look like they're gonna be pretty good high quality headphones. Put that off to the side. We do get a brick right here for charging. This does look like it's fast charging, which is definitely pretty cool. Put that off to the side, and we do get, last but not least, a converter that is Type-C to USB, which is really cool, and then a really nice little keychain for the SIM tray remover tool, which is really cool. I definitely like that setup. I've never seen that before. Then we get a US Type-C. We get a Type-C connector, which is definitely pretty cool. So that's all that's inside, guys. This is the full unboxing. We got this thing actually right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up in some more detail. But right here, you can see this is the initial unboxing. Make sure you guys stay locked in for more videos just like this. We're gonna go ahead and set this up, and make sure you stay tuned for the next video. It's your boy Serrano. Make sure you have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending on where you are, have a great night. Peace, crew. It says add fingerprint. Okay, so I'm gonna press right here, boom, add fingerprint, add pattern. So you can see the haptic feedback on here is really good. That actually is finding my fingerprint. It says added already. So now that's done. Calendar, Chrome. Wow, this thing feels pretty, the vibration that I'm getting when I'm touching it feels really responsive. So let me go ahead and open up this screen right here. And now it says, welcome to dual mode. You can enjoy 2 apps at once. Some apps may not be supported. If your app does not work correctly, you can always switch to a different app. Looks like I'm gonna click got it. And let's use dual mode or extended mode. I want to use this one where we could use 2 modes. But I'm gonna do a follow-up on this, maybe do some gaming testing and everything like that. You can see right here it's really responsive. I'm probably gonna use it like this most of the time, but this feels definitely pretty cool. Let me just fold it, and you can see you can use that screen turns off and this screen stays on, so you can see. Let me show you. But that's actually pretty quick. Let me show you one more time. I'm gonna set up my thumb in just a second, and then you gotta press it and it unlocks. So, but make sure you guys stay locked in. It's your boy Serrano. This thing is definitely cool. At $155, I would definitely recommend it. Links will be in the description down below. Make sure you have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending on where you are, have a great night. Peace, crew.